Good morning, everyone. With May 3 approaching our calendar, India is hooked on to understand what more COVID 19 has in store for us. Not only has this pandemic made us all go through a lockdown, but it has also affected all of the major sectors. But the most immediate, intense impact has been on education sector. To understand about its effect, its impact, and what more do we have to look forward, we today have in conversation with us Dr. Sachin Untavale, the director of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. Good morning, sir.
A very good morning to all. I'll be discussing about the various impact of COVID-19 on higher education in India. Nationwide lockdown has been called in. Government of India has issued guidelines for restricting the movements of the people and keeping the social distancing. The effect of the UGC and Apex body guidelines that has been issued for all colleges. Almost 1,000 universities and 40,000 colleges are closed during this lockdown period. The students are asked to go back to their hometown. Efforts are being made to move the classes and the assessment online. As per the KPMG article on higher education in India and COVID-19, the impact of admissions, not only admissions, on the academics too. The impact has been on 3.75 crore students and 14 lakh faculties across the country.
3.75 crore students and 14 lakh faculty. The impact, as we all can understand, is really huge. I really wanted to understand, sir, just in case if the lockdown gets extended, how far GHRC has planned for the same.
Extended lockdown may result in effect on academics, disruption in current admission cycle, and slowdown of research and consultancy services. At GHRC, we have planned to muster our limited resources, create an agile response plan for COVID-19, and build a flexibility to minimize the impact on the academics, the admissions, as well as the revenues that are generated. As per the KPMG article, administrators are projecting methodologies to efficiently work out the methodologies if the lockdown period is further extended. While the current classes are being experimented online, how can we prepare for the next academic session to commence in an online mode if required? What capabilities do we need to develop in the digital domain to help our future students understand what we have to offer?
With all that in picture, GHRC definitely looks ready to combat this. Sir, I wanted to understand that looking at the time COVID has affected us, this time is very crucial for students. Either they are going through their CAEs or evaluation or maybe their end semester exams. So what has been GHRC's approach specifically for past 1 month, and what more do we have to look forward? If you could just add on to that.
We need innovations in the admission process to stay ahead of the competition, not only the competition, but for the betterment of the students' fraternity. We need to use digital platforms not only to render the classroom education, but also to evaluate their performance. During this current academic year, we at GHRC had completed about 75% of the curriculum prior to the lockdown. After the lockdown, we had almost 1 month till now. We have conducted all courses online through various digital platforms, and about 100% of the students have completed their coursework. We have given assignments to the students online, and almost all the students have timely submitted the assignments online too. Now, in the current session, we are devising a foolproof methodology for conducting the end SEM examinations online too, in case the lockdown gets extended. For final year students, a problem is with their project completion. We have devised a method to conduct online seminars for all project groups in the presence of guide and experts online. Once these seminars are over and the lockdown is over, we will make them work on the remaining projects if the time permits. We need to complete this academic session, including the declaration of results, prior to the 30th of June 2020. I appeal all the students to bear with us during this difficult time and support us in your academic course completion.
I am so sure that after listening to your words, students will consider the kind of effort GHRC is taking to ensure that their education is quality education despite the pandemic. Sir, I wanted to understand that GHRC has always been carrying the ideology of positive and growth mindset. We have always been problem solvers. So, what kind of transformation is GHRC going as an institution? Because the impact is no longer only limited to students. It has impacted the kind of approach teachers used to have. And overall, how are we dealing with the same?
We are in the process of refining and strengthening GHRC academics and research position through this difficult time of COVID-19. And enough efforts are being made at institutional level. We are switching to alternate channels. We are moving on to various apps and various platforms for rendering and evaluating the performance. We position the institute as a thought leader in the fight against COVID-19. We are concerned about the faculty innovations too. We are conducting short-term courses. The community contributions are being looked upon. The courses which are offered by various agencies are also being offered to the faculty members for their knowledge enhancement. Differentiated contents as videos, blogs, news, podcast, onboard students are a part of this activity for the creation of content. We are leveraging alumni to engage with us in this endeavor too. We are exploring alternate evaluation processes. SOPs are being formulated. Extracurricular and co-curricular activity participation that has been carried out earlier will be considered for evaluating. Group discussions, online interviews, etc. are also being planned in. We are also focusing on capacity building of our faculty team by participation on various platforms which are online, which are certified training workshops organized by various organizations of Government of India and premier institutions. We are also focusing on research activities and focus on developing facilities for hospitals during this COVID-19 outbreak. On behalf of the management of G.H. Rai Suni College of Engineering and on my personal behalf, I humbly appeal to all my students and all other stakeholders to be safe, maintain social distancing and take care of all your beloved. Be rest assured, we at G.H. Rai Suni College of Engineering will take care of all our students compassionately because they are a part of our family. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. That was Dr. Sachin Antavle, Director GHRC Nagpur, who just explained us that the pandemic might be difficult, but the combat approach is ready, and we are walking out stronger and wiser out of this situation. As my ending note to you students, please ensure that we are ensuring that education is taken care of. You don't have to worry anything about it. Just maintain your health and of your beloved ones. And please make sure that you make most of this time. Until next time, see ya.